akhaffu amran, lebih ringan.
Hi all, good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Let's wait for another one, then we'll start. Okay, let's get started then. Let me record the session.
Recording in progress.
So before starting, so everyone practiced yesterday's class or any doubt or anyone is not tried itself or any doubt from the previous classes. No doubt. That's great. Today we'll be showing you some commands which is really important for DevOps. Okay, so let me share my screen, then we'll practice one by one all the commands. So first command I want to do tar command, TAR. In Windows, you all know, right? Gzip or some bzip to some different archive is there, right? So here in Linux, tar is there. Archive it to get the more space, and again you can uncompress it so that we can use it. So if it is on if any file is on compressed mode, you cannot use until and unless you are uncompressing it. Okay, so here what is telling, Linux star stands for tape archive. Okay, so this star came from tape archive only, which is used to create an archive and extract the archive files. So if two things it will be, it will archive and extract two things. Tar command in Linux is one of the important commands that provides archive functionality in Linux. Okay, so what is the tar now? If I have a big size of file, I can archive it so that It will be some, or if I want to have big size, maybe you can set 1 GB of file, and I want to transfer from source to destination somewhere else. So that time 1 GB file transfer will take a lot of time. So what we'll do that time, we'll archive it and we'll send it, and after sending we'll say to him like, hey, please extract the file so that you can use it. So this is called archive or tar command in Linux. Okay. Now options are there, different options are there. So what are the options? Hyphen C. What creates a new archive? Okay. V displays the verbose output. It will give what is happening on your tar command. It will give you the output. If specifies the file name of archive. Okay. So I can use these options while archive my particular file. Okay. And there is another option also same, xvhep. So x means extract. Here it used to create new archive. Here it will extract the archive verbosely and specify the file name. So like the same way I will be doing here. Let's try to connect to the server. So suppose I have any file as of now, no, right? I'll download one archive file. Say download zip file in Linux. Oh, it is not giving anything. Oh, I can download anything from here. So let me download this one if it is working or not. So this is, I have just downloaded through curl command or wget command. You can download something through curl or wget command. Okay, that is also important. So here I have, see from here you can see this is zip file. .zip extension is available over here. Now if I want to unzip it or extract it, what will be the command? tar hyphen xvf, you can use z. Okay, and this one, let's try this. What it is telling? Oh, z. Okay, it is not doing tar. This does not look like a tar archives. Okay, this is zip. Tar.zip should be there. Okay, I'll take one of the file and I'll try to do this before the tar is installed. Okay, tar. Okay, tar is there. So fine. Let me copy one of the files. It is fast upload file. Okay, to here. Okay, rm-rf, I'll delete this. Okay, now suppose I have this file. Okay, this fast upload file. I want to archive this particular file. So what will be the command? cvf, f means file, which file? This one, and I can give any of the name. Okay, if I'm telling sam.tar due to previous errors, what is the error? What was the command here it is telling? it's a file called file.tar. Okay, first I should give the name and then so this sam.tar should be first sam.tar and which file passwd. Okay, let's try to see this. Can you see this? Passwd was there. Now I just made it tar. So like this way it will reduce the size. If I am having big size, it will be very useful all that time. If it is less size, maybe kb or some maybe. So I think that is not really useful for particular command. Okay. Now I just tar or archive this passwd with new name. I can give the same name also. You can give the same name also. Not an issue. Okay. Now if I want to extract it, then what is the command? So tar x means extract bb and here use f or jwf file. So I'll say file and I'll say sam.tar. So here what has happened? Here it just did overridden. So I'll say let me remove this file and then I'll try to do. Can you see this now? Nothing is available. Only sam.tar is available, right? Now if I'm doing extract that particular thing, now this passwd will come into picture and I'll be having all the files and stuff whatever it was there, it will be available here. Okay, so no, nothing is there. Oh, it didn't copy anything. ccp etc passwd everything cp-r. It didn't copy anything actually. That is the problem. This is sam. Let's try to see. Get some. Okay, here it is there. Let me delete other file from here so that I can show you freshly. rm-rf. I'll say passwd also remove. sam.tar also remove. Now only one file is available, that is called sam. I'll archive this sam and I'll again check. First I'll check the sam content. So last what was there? TCP dump ec2 user. Just remember this. After archive and extraction, we should be able to see these contents also. Okay. Let's try to tar it. cvf. What name I want to give? I want to give maybe sam.tar only to sam file. Okay. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will remove this sam file. Okay. Now if you want to open the content of tar file, you cannot open the content until and unless you are extracting it. You will not be able to see the content. Let's try it to see the content. Okay, it is not tar. It should be there. Why it didn't do? Zip it. Maybe uh, gz. What is the command? Let me search tar dot zip gz. Great. So you can come to internet. If you forget the command or something syntax, from here you can get this. What is telling? File dot tar dot gz. So I can use this particular thing. Let's try it. I will say file and which file? What was there? Okay, let me extract that thing first. tar hyphen xvf sam.tar. So I just extract it. Sample file is there. Now if I am doing what is the command there? Okay, I'll say I'll give this name and Sam. Okay, now this file dot tar dot gz came. So now see, can you see this? It got archived and I cannot access the data as of now until and unless I am like extract it. It will not be able to access. Okay, now I will extract it tar hyphen xvzf and that particular file dot tar. Oh, oh, sorry, I gave wrong thing. Xvzf. Now Sam came into picture. If I am doing cat Sam, I should be able to see the content. So like this, you can use it. So I'll give you these commands X and C. Okay, so that you can practice at home. First, and here X instead of X, C. C means compressed. X means extract. Okay.
What does V and Z and F mean?
Yes, here I already explained, right? Z means zip, the format of the Z zip format. That is called. And rest here C means create, V means perpet, A means specify the file, X means extract the things.
What is V verbose? What does it mean, verbose output?
Okay, verbose means it will give you some kind of output here while doing the uh, see this output it gave, right? Here less file is available, so it is showing more files are there. It will be giving you all the output what it is doing inside the command. Like it is giving you more output, meaningful output, nothing else.
No, what I did not understand.
Oh, you did not understand. Okay, okay. Here what is written verbose output showing the progress of the archiving process. If one line or file or folder will be archived, right, it will be showing you I am archiving this kind of folder and file.
बोर्ड बना
Can you please mute it? Okay, okay, let me try to archive it different folder. Maybe let that time maybe you'll understand more. Let me try with home. Okay, tar hyphen CVZF. Okay, I'll do home. Okay, I'll use do it here only. Can you see this? You are getting this kind of output, right? This is called verbose. This is called verbose. If I am not using this option, it will not show me this. Let's try
Oh,
it.
this is showing what all type of files
Yes.
are available in the home folder.
What are the things it is doing?
In the home?
It will, yeah, in the home only. Here I have mentioned home. Like I can mention something else. Maybe I can mention etc. Okay.
Hmm.
Here this time I'm not using any etc. Will be very heavy. I'll say opt or temp. This time I'm not using v option. Okay, v. This time I'm not using v options. Okay. What will happen? Okay, this file. Mm, what option? Okay, let's try to home only. Is a directory not recall existing? Something happened. maybe say home. Try to give it created. Mm, let's try to remove from here itself. Star cannot open directory. Wait, what are the folders and files? Let's try it. I can try to do some other folder or file, maybe tar hyphen c vf, maybe dev 2. No, first name, no? Okay, dev dot tar dot gz to maybe slash dev folder. Okay, so it is giving me this kind of output, right? This is called verbose output. What is the available inside? And let me remove this particular fee. Okay, see, nothing it is showing here. Earlier it was showing all the steps, nothing is not showing here. This is the use of verbose output. It is like it will give you details output, nothing else.
Okay.
So basically the same in chat also I've added it. So verbose, it allows you to see the files that are added to the archive and are extracted during operations also. It'll just show you what is going in and what is coming out. So
What
if
else?
you're
Yeah,
doing the exactly.
it will be showing
Like,
you what is happening in the background. That's it, nothing else.
well, like what changes are happening in the
What
both
are
the
being added and what
Yeah,
are
or
being
added or
extracted.
remove. Yeah, everything will be showing you
so
like
that means
output.
like while this is going on, it will show like that
Yes, yes.
while the process is going on, like
Yeah,
changing the tar file to G's, right?
yeah, correct, correct.
At the end, why it is used .gz?
That is, we are using the format gzip, bzip2. There are a lot of zip formats are
It's a
available.
type of yeah, it's a type of zip
Okay.
format, like how
So,
you have on WinZip, na? WZip you
mm,
have, so you have RAR in Windows, just like that. Here it
okay.
is gzip.
Okay. So it is like
That
it is doing the commands like a WinZip.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, yes, same like
And
It's
one more
compressing
thing.
right now.
Okay. So if my file is in the format like .zip, ends with
Ah,
.zip, then what
use
will
it.
be the command?
Use it. I think Samuel showed it in the start, right? Can you, Samuel, do you have that command? In the starting, you did not?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I think here only somewhere. See, this is C, right? This G,
Yes.
Z means this Z came into picture.
Okay.
So I'll give you this. You can go through this. Lot of things are there.
Okay.
So
That help.
I'll,
And you can use this also. Unzip space name of the archive.
yeah,
That is
yeah.
the
So
command.
here a lot of options are there. You can see T. What is the T? V means verbose output. A files. So you can get it all full details from here. I'll give you here.
Okay.
Now tar command is done. Now I'll be going with AWK command. So AWK also, this is very powerful command to get the data. Like in how we'll get the extract, not extract, particular, you can say I want some line of data. So that can be giving by AWK command. We can get from AWK command. So here what is telling, manipulating the data and generating reports, like it will be like give you the better output of that particular file. If you have, suppose 1,000 lines of code or some lines are available, so in that you want only specific keyword and specific keyword format, that can be also done through this AWK command. So AWK command have a lot of options. I'll be going few options, not all the, and I cannot cover all the things. Okay. So here, suppose I am just, I'll take this example only. Okay. I'll say vi example.text maybe. Okay. I'll add this content and I'll be manipulating this data with different cases. What I want exactly, it will show me through AWK command. Okay. So here, first thing what is saying AWK, and what you want to print. Print means everything, print it. This is the syntax for AWK command. So what we are doing, AWK print everything from that file. Okay. Now what we'll do, I'll say I'll execute AWK print for which file I want to print everything. Suppose here example.txt. It means if I am doing cat also, it will give you the same thing. Can you see this? Total same thing is available. It means it is printing the whole file. Okay, this is first command. Next we'll be having different options. Let's try it. Print the lines which match the given pattern. It means I want manager, wherever manager line is available, print me from this employee.txt. You should remember this syntax. If you are forgetting this syntax, or if you're like, if you're not giving this syntax, it will get syntax error. Let's try it. So I'll say example.com. So what it is giving, so from here first check, let me check where are managers available. This line Ajay manager, Varun manager, and Amit manager. That's why it gave the only three. In other line it is not available manager. It means AWK is filtering all those things and it is giving you the output whatever on your wish. Okay. But if I am giving this particular, removing this particular thing, see, it is not working. Why? Because AWK has some syntax. You should follow those syntax. Without correct syntax, you cannot get the output.
Is it possible to find out like which all lines are this, like the manager is in which line, like this Ajay should be in the first line, so
Okay,
they
which line? Okay, okay. Number of row is there, will come that option. Okay. Now here I want the lines. Which are the lines? See here, two things are available. These all are on first like field. Okay. This is called second field, third field, and fourth field. In shell script or in Linux, this first one calls zeroth one, first one, second one, third one, forward like this. Okay. Okay, okay. No, no, no. This is one also fine. One, two, three, four. But when I'll be executing some command, that time it will be zeroth. It will be that argument. Whenever I'll do the shell script, that time I'll let you know. So here command is there what?
Ali bhai, I've given you the pattern command.
Yeah, yeah, that will be there in next. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, number of row. First row. So let me run this one since Akash has given, so not an issue. Let's try this. Okay. What is the pattern? Manager, right? I want manager, and from where? Example.txt, right? Now good, right? One line, three line, fourth line. Okay.
uh,
One.
why is
Third.
it what is the meaning of NR and this dollar? This is like what?
This all will come later. Everything is there in the document. You are going too fast. Okay. Now let me go to different document. Like this one you already, okay, this one I didn't execute it. So what it is telling? It is telling print which one? First field and fourth field. So here what is the first field called? First field will be all the name, right? Ajay, Sunil, Varun. And what is the fourth one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is fourth one. So it should show me this Sunil 25, Ajay 45,000, like this. It should show me. Let me try this. Oh, sorry. So here example. Can you see this? It gave first and fourth, first, fourth, first, fourth. So like this, we can search the pattern through AWK command. There are other lot of options are there. So here your question was there, right? What is
Yeah.
NR?
So it's one and like first line and fourth line like that, or it's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. This is number of row. It deletes number of row. What it is telling keeps the current count number of inputs record. So it means if I am giving first one, if I am giving one first, two like this, 2, 3, 4 like this, and this is NF keeps the count of the number of fields, number of row, number of fields, column or row, right? Fields means here you can say column.
Column.
Yes. NR means number of row. FS means file separator, like field separator. Some field will be there that I'll let you know. And RS, what RS command store the current record separator character. OFS is there, so a lot of options are there. This will be morely using this NF and NR and file separator, these three. This is very rare, will be using. If it is needed, you can use it, but as per your like requirement, you can use it. Okay, so I'll be going with this NR. See here, it is already given the example. What it is telling? First one, 0 means first one, zeroth. Okay, what it is telling? Number of row, first one, you give the content, like print this number of row, zeroth. Let me try it. Already Akash has given the same one only. So what it is doing? It is number of row. It is generating the first. This is zeroth one. Okay,
Yeah.
it is adding all the
But
number.
so it shows all the content like full.
Yes. Now
So
you can
it's
search. Now you
huh.
can search with that pattern here. Add this pattern.
Oh,
What we
okay.
want, manager. You need to keep add all the things. You need to understand the command, then execute it.
Hmm. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So here there are a lot of other options are there. What it is telling? First and number of fields. Let's try it. This command is available. I'll give this link also so that you all can practice it. Okay, what? First one, number of fields. What it is doing? Print first field. Okay, first one with the field, but why it is giving last one? What is telling? Try it. Use the number of build option in the above. If change the name and NF. Okay, salary. It will give you the last one where NF refers last field. Okay, if you want to get some last field, okay, let me edit something here. Last field. Okay, I'll add something on last field. So here I'll say. Uh,
Kidney.
hmm?
You put something funny, no? It'll be
Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
You can do that,
something.
yeah.
Tell me something. I'll write, or else. Okay, since we are in happy,
Happy.
Ajay is happy. Okay, Sunil is sad. Okay, he is funny. Something. Tell me, he is crying. Something. Okay, what else?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Someone is will be jumping. Something.
Yeah, something. Crazy.
Sunil. What?
Crazy, it seems.
Okay,
Chandru is
crazy.
telling crazy.
Okay, crazy. Something. One is pending. Tell me something.
Bored.
What? Bored. Acha.
Bored.
Okay, bored.
Bored. Director is only bored. Okay, okay.
Okay, fine. Now, what I want, if I am executing the same command again, what it should show? It should show me whatever I have written, right?
Last field, yes.
Can you see this? Ajay, happy, sad, funny, crying, sleeping, whatever. It means enough means it will always show you the last field. Okay, last field or column you can say. So here they have explained everything very good. This jig for jigs. This
Kicks for kicks is
they are very good. I just saw and I was just searching on the internet what is the good kind of content. So AWK is best. So here there are another way also. Number 3, number 6. Okay, let's try it. What it is there? What it is telling? AWK. It will try to search inner number 3, line number 3. Okay, it will search that and inner 6 till 6 it will search. Okay, inner 3 to 6 it will print all the things. Let's try it. I'll say for which folder? Example folder. Oh, oh, example dot text. Okay, so from 3 it start, it end till 6, and it is giving all the row. Row means see these all are row only inner. Okay, so I want from where to where number of row. This is the command. I want from 3 to 6, and inner 0 means it will show everything. This one, whatever I have given. Okay, there are other options are there. I want field separator. Where is field separator now? Wait, where is field separator? These other commands you can go through at home. I'll give this link. Field separator is not given. Because I remember field separator.
delimiter.
Delimiter. We need to delete that delimiter, particular delimiter commands command.
AWK, in AWK.
In AWK only.
Also.
Begin. Okay, let's try to search this. AWK field separator.
Minus
FS.
F.
Yes, but field separator I will
Given.
field separator. Let's try it. You have given?
I have given, yeah.
Yeah, delimiter file name. So I can where is the file? Okay, I'll use now a cat etc pass wd file. Here field separator is available. What this is?
Slash.
This is the separator.
Colon, yeah.
Colon. So I want to get remove this colon. I want to get this 2 3 output, whatever output I want to get. So that also can be done. It so well given. Let me copy this. Then I'll say let me clear this. File name should be etc pass wd. In this file I want to search it, and delimiter should be here what colon, right? I want to delete the colon, right? Let's see whether it is giving or not. Yeah, can you see this? It removed all this particular colon. Why? Because I told delete -f, and whatever I'll give, it will delete those things. It will separate it. That's why it is called field separator. Okay, so you can use this command also and print first line, second line, fourth line. So it is printing all these things. So in one command, lot of options are there. You need to use it as per your choice. Okay, you all go through this particular AWK command. Okay, try to practice each and every command and try to get the output, so that you will understand more. This is one time I did it, next time I'll also forget. So you practice it so that you'll remember everything, and you should understand what is happening and what we are giving. So you should understand each and every field. every line also, every digit also in that particular command. Okay. Now there is another powerful command that is called sed. Okay. What is this called? Stream editor. In powerful utility used to process and manipulate text files. So here what we'll do, we'll replace the things. Okay, suppose I have example.txt, right? Get example.txt. Suppose there is a requirement or application name, they are saying, can you replace this sleeping word to something else? Sleeping to opposite what? Waking up. Okay. So what application team's requirement is that, can you please replace this, or okay, let me replace first one only. Okay. So can you please replace Tarun to happy learning? There is a requirement here. Very few lines are there. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. If it is 1,000 lines, that time it would be a big problem. You need to search where is Tarun available. You need to replace Tarun with happy learning. Okay. But there is a command sed. We can replace it through sed command. In sed, lot of options are there. You can say edit the file in place without printing the console. It will edit, but it will not print. It will not show you anything. So there are other options are there. I'll be going with one of the options. So here, okay, here what it is telling, this is the syntax. You have to follow the syntax. Without following the syntax, it will not work. What it is telling, sed string, what string, search this Unix string and replace this Unix with Linux. For which file? This file. Okay. Let's try it. I will try to do it. I said like I want to replace Tarun with happy learning, right? So I'll say replace with what? Tarun with what? Happy learning, right? Okay. Happy learning for what? Example.txt. Can you see this? The difference. Earlier it was Tarun. Now what it came? Happy learning. It means I have successfully edited and replaced with sed command. Okay. Got it right or any doubt here? I'll give this all the commands also. There are a lot of other options are there, but this is very powerful. Okay. Here what it is telling, it will be first second occurrence. Replace the first and second occurrence of the pattern. It means like here Unix to Linux, right? If I am mentioning two means second occurrence, first occurrence it is just neglected it like replaced with second occurrence. Can you see this? Everywhere else is Unix, but only here it replaced with Linux. Why? Because I mentioned here second occurrence. Okay, clear or any doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Now here replacing all, G means globally. It will replace wherever this Unix is there, it will replace it to Linux. Okay. Well, let me copy this one. You'll understand better. I'll say vi, maybe something. This is called sed, right? Sed dot text. So here all Linux is available, right? Okay. What I want to do, I want to change this Linux all to where? Unix. Okay. How to do that? Sed. What I want to change? Linux, right? So I'll change Linux here. What I want to replace with? Linux to Unix, right? I'll say Unix here. G means globally everywhere on the file, and here I'll give my file name. Now can you see this? Everything is changed. All Linux came into picture in all Linux is Unix now. Okay, got it right?
Is it possible to find out like how many count of the same word is there?
Same, no, I think.
Then how do you say that it's the third one to change or second one to change?
Yeah,
Because
see, it is
then we have to sit
assigning.
and count the total how much is there, and then we have to figure it out. Or how is it as well?
No, what you exactly want to do, tell me. Then I'll give you the solution.
No, let's see. You have a lot of Unix, right? Like in this, no.
Yeah.
So now we don't know how many number of Unix is there.
Okay.
And we want to maybe change for the fourth one. So we should know how many Unix is there, no? Like how many number of Unix is
But
there.
you want to change fourth, like you already know fourth one, so you can give 4.
No, that I understood. But I'm telling you, since you told me that there will be numerous, I mean, huge number of texts on the same word.
Yeah,
He's
It's
asking
like,
for the count, I think.
that count we can get it. Let me try to do this. Cat acd. There is another command. Wherever this Unix will be there, it will be showing me. Oh, grep, I need to use grep hyphen I. Okay. Oh, oh, I changed it to Linux or what? Oh, it is Linux. It is there. Okay. So now here, if I am to want to know wc hyphen l, so in how many lines it is there? 3 lines.
3 lines.
Got it right? So we can like do all the search and like this is called, this grep is called for particular pattern search. So if I want to learn search for Linux, it will show me all the Linux wherever Linux is available. In how many line it is there? WC means word count hyphen list. Okay, it will show me on how many lines this particular Linux is available.
Instead of line, how to get the word? I mean, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
Yeah.
So how
Oh,
to
you
get
want
the
to get
count?
line?
Line, yeah. Number of
One, two,
words, yeah.
three. That one I don't know. Maybe it is there. Might not be there because I never used till now in my career.
Okay.
But you can search it if you want to get it. Okay. You
Hmm.
search it. Try to search it. How do I get this particular query? You can get it maybe.
Okay.
Okay. And here, so which command I used? So G means in all file it will do. If I'm mentioning
Global.
something here, instead of G, I'll give some maybe on second or third occurrence. I want to change it. I can give third also. So in third, it should be, see, Linux is there second. Third, it's changed to Unix. So I can change it like this. Clear, right? So there are a lot of other options are there that is not that much really needed, but it can be needed if you want to do some like extra like depth kind of thing, then it is needed. So I'm giving this particular link to you. You just practice it. This is not possible like everything I'll show you here. You have to
Sure,
practice at home also.
Yeah, I've also given a pattern where you can, what you asked, right? You can actually see the lines which are actually
Yeah.
matching there. You
Okay.
can use
Let me
that.
try.
Just
Okay.
try that.
Let's try that. Yeah.
It's
What
not going to
pattern
be
I have?
exactly like Windows. So all this, if you want to practice like how queries you have, you can come down to the institute and we can actually post the class and we can actually play around with the commands because that
But
way
I
will not be covering because he'll also be stalling while covering his portion. So we
so
can
it is
actually
giving
try
the
all the
three only.
queries. Yep.
It is giving the 3 minutes that same command only. You can use this grep or this.
Grep is better than.
Yeah, that's why I showed you grep only. Na? So fine, if you want to dig extra more, you can search. I have given all the documents. You can refer some. You can Google it if you want to get more details. So you can get it,
Yep.
or else you can go for awk-help also. Maybe it will give you a lot of options. So here you can try each and every options. Maybe you can get it. Okay. AWK help, ACD help, anything help, you can get it. Okay. ACD-help. So what are the options are available? It will show you. So maybe you can get some option here also. You need to dig it. Okay. Okay. What else command? Mm, mm, okay. Grep I already showed, right? Let me open grep also. There is another powerful command, that is grep. Okay. Grep is used to search specific keyword. Okay, suppose here what keyword is available, any name. Oh, I want to search this keyword, crony. Okay, I'll say what, grape crony. So it is giving me that line, but since I have given the exact name, that's why it gave. But if it is uppercase or lowercase, that time you should use -i, so it will understand that I can search uppercase and lowercase. If it is available, I should show. Okay.
Will
So
it show the line number, like which line is it?
line number, like which line? For that
Yeah.
I
VI
guess
editor.
-c option.
What,
Wait.
what? Hello? Hello, am I audible? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, am I audible, right?
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me, you want number, right? So
Yes,
that
yes.
can that can be get through VI editor. I already explained VI editor, right? VI editor, I told you guys or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So through that VI editor, you can get the line. I have given all the commands also. So you
Sir,
can get
if
from.
any word starts with this word and ends with this word, how can I search that?
You want start with, right?
Start with and
Start
end
with,
with.
you can get it start with. Okay. And I'm not sure about this. You can search on the internet, but it will give you obviously for C. Whatever C starts with, it will give. Okay.
Okay, C star. Okay.
C star. You'll still start with search with start with C only. So here EC2 is there, so it is EC2 EC2. Wherever EC2 is available, it will show you all the line, and how many lines WC-L you can get it. Okay, 2 lines EC2 is available. For this grep also, a lot of options are there. You need to search it. Okay. Now, what else is pending for today?
Line option also I've given. Somewhere that -n option. We are told that time only. So grep,
Okay.
that one only.
Okay. That's what you need to search on the internet to get everything. Oh, where it is. Grep-n. Okay. What pattern I want to get? Suppose EC2 or crony. Let's write crony. Then fill file etc passwd. See, 23rd line crony is available. Okay. So grep has a lot of options. Let's write grep-help. So a lot of options are there. You can go through all the options. E, F, I, W. Okay. So here this line number, print the line number with output line. So everything is available. You need to search it, and it is not the thing of like each and everything you have to remember. You can't remember everything. So that's why Linux has made one document here. This is like search manual. It is telling. So in search manual, everything is available. So whatever you need, you can go to that and you can get it. Any command you search it, -help, it will give you all the options. Okay. Take something. A lot of options are there. So what else? So I think for today these commands are fine. Tomorrow maybe I'll start with shell script. Okay. Or else tomorrow what I'll do, I'll give all the scenario you have to do in front of me. All the scenarios you should do in front of me tomorrow, and from Monday we'll start shell script. Tomorrow will be your like reversal or whatever you can say, like review all the things. We'll review all the things whatever till now done. We'll review all the things, and from Monday we'll start again with shell script. Fine, right? Or any doubt, tell me for today's class or previous class, anything. No doubt. All good. Wait. Let me stop sharing.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, actually I forgot that command to install cron.
Okay, yam install. Yam space install. Then that cron.
CRONWE.
No. CRONY. Let me write it here. Yam install CRONY. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you process related things, how to manage the processes, and what is processes and what are the other commands to the processes and other details. Tomorrow I am going to show you that one. After that we'll be going with shell script on Monday. Yes. Okay, if no doubt out there, and then we can.
Actually, I talked multiple times. I've been multiple times, but he's not understanding.
Yes, directly create a group with Sasha and talk to add Sasha and talk to him, and then he needs to get the recordings.
Actually, she mentioned also like current batch. They're saying that there is no current batch now.
The current batch is not started. The next batch is not started at all.
Recordings.
See, once I recorded, it will be storing in cloud, and they are managing that cloud. I don't know that. Yeah. They are only managing. I don't know. Maybe you all are paid, right? If you are not paying, maybe you will not add.
That is one problem. Yeah. So just talk to Harsha and Nikhil and add yourself on the create a group and then ask. It is related to recordings. We don't have any control. You'll have to talk to them only.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Then that's it for today. So tomorrow we'll meet again.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye bye.